3, 2, 1, go!
How snow is made? We all agree that snowfall is always fascinating. In the snowfall, all people stay out of the house and play with snow. People can make giant snowmen, trample along the snow, or play snowballs with their families. However, are you curious how snow is made?
Snow is water droplets falling from the clouds. Busy droplet water then becomes light and creates snow. It happens because rain consists of water vapor particles and being caught in the air.
Snow happens when water vapor violates over the Earth's atmosphere freezes. It happens before they turn into water droplets. This process occurs when the temperature in the cloud becomes very frigid.
Snowflakes are created by crystals of ice, which have established around a little bit in the air. They then grow from small forms into the big one. The forms of snowflakes are varied. They can consist of 200 crystals maximum.
General structure 1. General statement paragraph 1. 2. Sequence of explanation paragraph 2, 3, and 4. Language feature 1. Using chronological connection before then. 2. Using generic participant water, earth, air, cloud, rain, ice crystal.
Using passive voice. Snowflakes are caught by crystals of ice. People can make in snow when travel along the snow or play snowblades with their families.
4. Using simple present tense. Snow is water droplets falling from the clouds. We all agree that the snowfall is always fascinating. 5. Using action verbs. Play, make, falling, being, could, and created.
and burned in the atmosphere. Then when it also will be a lot of meteors that can be seen. The phenomenon of increasing number of meteors that can be seen in called a
all around the world. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 is very infectious disease caused by a new kind of coronavirus. Is it dangerous? How can it spread to humans? Firstly, the virus is supposed to spread primarily from person to person. This virus can spread between persons who are in contact approximately in about 6 feet.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Septiani dari kelas 11 IPS 1. Secondly, COVID-19 can also arrive via respiratory route when while an infected versus toes or sneeze. This drop can land in the nose or mouth of person who are nearby, or they can firstly be inhaled to the lungs. Strangely, it is spread by my human interaction with infected object or surface. It might be like a person can get COVID-19 by touching object devouring the virus. They then drove the virus to their own nose, mouth, or eyes. How easily a virus spread from versus to versus can vary. These viruses are highly spreaded. Therefore, we have to be alert and care following health protocol.
Good job! Good job!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Explain the natural phenomena of the tsunami.
My name is Rahma Ramadhani.
My name is Pacai Nur Padilla.
My name is Revalina Mana Putri.
My name is Jenny Rahmawan.
My name is Afwatul Maula.
My name is Amira Mutigasani.
Explanation text is a text which discusses theory, definition, ideology, phenomenon, opinion, or other things related to natural phenomena.
What is a tsunami? A tsunami is a large wave that causes tremendous damage to the Earth's surface. In the following, there is a sample of explanatory text about tsunami.
General structure. We all know that a tsunami is a series of powerful and destructive waves. Tsunami are the deadliest waves because
tsunami comes from Javan, tsu, which means harbor, and nami, which means wave. They are usually caused by earthquakes, landslides, or volcanic eruption, or close to the ocean.
After some sort of underwater disturbance, this causes energy to rise up to sea level, causing the water height into the air. Gravity catches in and falls it down again, and consequently causing the water to filter out into many different directions.
Conclusion. So, tsunami happens because of natural disasters such as earthquakes of volcanic eruptions. People who live near to shoreline have to be careful because their eye threatened by tsunamis whenever there is an earthquake.
Featuring generic participant tsunami. Chronological connection, but first, passive voice is first causes the energy to rise to the sea level.
Simple present tense. We all know that a tsunami is a series of powerful and destructive waves. Cause, because, as, effect, so.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Oh my god! Wow!
General statement opening. Lunar eclipses are one of the natural phenomena that often occur, so we are surprised that this phenomenon is often encountered. A lunar eclipse can occur when the moon and sun are in the same position, so that the sun rays that should reach the earth are blocked by the moon. This causes the earth to be dark for some time. Even so, the position of the moon and sun will not result in a release. Why is that? Due to the tilt of the moon orbit and the eclipse stars that cause their intersection are called null.
So a new lunar eclipse will occur when the moon is positioned with a line called or what is called a birth point. It takes at least 29 days to 30 days for the moon to move from one point to another.
The lunar eclipse that occurs is actually not always visible, because in some cases the moon is still visible. This is happening because the sunlight is still there, which causes the light that will be directed to moon by the atmosphere.
The rays from the atmosphere usually have a color that causes the moon to appear dark red during a solar eclipse. We can observe the lunar eclipse directly with the naked eye. This will not harm us at all.
Using interpretation, a lunar eclipse occurs when part or all of the Earth's shadow covers the appearance of the moon, especially if the position of the Earth is between the moon and the sun, so that the light cannot reach the moon because it is blocked by the Earth's sun.
Featuring generic participant, a lunar eclipse can occur when the moon and sun are in the same position.
Using chronological context, when the moon and the sun are in the same position, so that the sun rays should reach the earth are blocked
by the
using passive voice pattern. This causes the earth to be dark for some time.
Using simple present tense, a lunar eclipse can occur when the moon and sun are in the same position.
5. Using the action verb, the moon, to move from one point to another. 6. Using noun phrase, which calls the rays to be turned toward the moon by the atmosphere.
Usually, conjunction cause effect, especially if the position of the earth is between the moon and the sun, so that the light cannot reach the moon because it is blocked by the earth's sun.
Using conjunction of time, it takes a light 29 days to 30 days for the moon to move from one point to another.
Lightning is a natural phenomenon that usually appears in the rain season when the sky gives rise to a momentary flash of blinding light. A few moments later, followed by a thunder sound called thunder. This difference in time of appearance is due to the difference between the speed of sound and the speed of light.
Lightning occurs because there's a potential difference between the cloud and the earth or with other clouds. The process of the occurrence of charge on the cloud, because it moves continuously, regularly, and during its movement, it will interact with that cloud so that negative charge will gather on side up or down, while positive charge gather on the opposite side.
If the potential difference between the cloud and this earth is large enough, there will be a discharge of negative charge electron from the cloud to the earth or vice versa to reach equilibrium. In this discharge process, the medium through which electron pass is air. When electrons are able to friend the air insulation, the sound expression occurs.
Lightning is more common in the rain season because in that condition the air contains a higher moisture content so that the insulation power drop and the current flows more easy because there are negatively charged clouds and positive charged clouds. Lightning can also occur between clouds of different charges.
Good job! Good job!